Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a falling prices haul. A little small, but I felt like I had to bring this to the community. If you live in the Northern California area, Falling Prices has a few locations like in Roseville, Folsom, Sacramento, Antelope area. They are insane. So what Falling Prices is, which if you didn't check out my first video, I'll pop it up on the screen right here. So what Falling Prices is, they will drop their prices each day of the week. So normally they will start on Monday for $6 and drop it down for $5, $4. I think they go 3, 2, 1, and I heard 25 cents. 25 cents. Insane. I've never gone on a 25-cent day, but I probably would think that the $6 day would probably be the best day because that's when they first come out with all their new merchandise. I've seen crazy stuff with Falling Prices, like people getting kettles, air fryers, so many different appliances, and also like different home decor. So it's always fun to find items for a lot cheaper than what they sell it at, like Target, Overstock, Amazon. I don't know where else. Even on my Target app, I did scan through a few of the items that I currently have with me right here. I was able to scan a few items to see what the original price was and if it was worth the $4. I did get a few items that were pretty cheap, but still it's a good deal if you're, you know, if there's like a few dollars off depending on what it is. So I'm gonna start off with this one. It's the pillow. It's so cute. I think that it's definitely worth $4. So I actually went on Wednesday, the $4 day, and everything that I have here was only $4. I was able to scan this item. It is part of Opal House from Target. I think it's super cute. It has like a Sherpa material, so I wasn't sure about that, but knowing that it was $25 originally and I got it for $4, I couldn't help myself, and it does go really well with the pillows that I already have in my living room. I mean, it even goes well with my bedding behind me, but yeah, we'll definitely find a good place for it here. So this wasn't like a big find, but I am obsessed with these things. If you don't know, you just put this in your washer. My nephew puts it in the dryer, so I don't know what's right or what's wrong. Oh, it says on the directions. I can't believe for a second that I believed my nephew. I did scan this at Target and it is originally $7.99 or $8. Got it for $4 and I use these religiously. So next find, I don't know what this is associated with. I just thought this was the cutest thing. I did try it on right before I started to film this. It is a little small, sadly. I don't know, it could have been $2, $1 before, and I might have paid over, but I don't know. And of course my fat head, it's too small, but I will stretch it. I just think this is so cute. I'm hoping that I find myself on a beach somewhere sipping a margarita. That's where I see myself wearing this. It was $4 and then keeping it. Boop. Next item, this is a really good find. So it is called the Flawless In-You Razor. So this is basically shaving for lazy people and I'm all for it. It says removes hair instantly and pain-free. One handle, one head, USB charging cable. So I saw this and it kind of reminds me of one thing that my sister has. I knew when I saw this that it was going to be a good deal if I got it, and I did want to try it out. $40 originally. I was able to scan it on the Target app. $40 and I got it for $4. So and definitely try using it maybe on my legs. Very good deal. Next item, are these shoes. What we do is scan through their bins. So you have to like scavenge through these bins to find these items, and they do have like shelving kind of like towards the register at the location that we went to in Roseville. I got these shoes, they were on the shelves, and he just like started grabbing whatever shoes. We would have a cart with us and we just throw stuff in there. Whatever we think that we would like for each other or for ourselves, we just throw in the cart and then decide once we were done scavenging through all the bins. This was one of the items that he found for me. Super cute. So they were originally, originally $10, I guess. Let's see. Liars. It was originally $20. Oh, I did get the wrong size. I got 9.5. Dang it. I'll try them on. I'll see if it works. Next item. And I think I did scan this on either Amazon or Target. Originally $20. So the box is a Taylor digital scale. I did want to get a scale because I'm going to start working out and trying to lose some weight. I thought this was a good start to it. Trying to keep track of my weight. I don't want to become one of those people who are like completely obsessed. I did want to get something to measure that. I got this. There was actually a few different scales there. I just got this one because it was black and it fit my aesthetic the most, you know. But this is what it looks like out of the box. We'll see if it works. I thought that was a good deal as well, and that's something that I was looking for, so it was a win-win situation for me. Last item is this purse from Target. This was originally $36.99. So cute. And I'm thinking about using this because with my work, I'm able to work anywhere from my laptop. I'm thinking maybe like keeping this as like a briefcase or something to lug all my work stuff in. If I don't find a use for it, I definitely can gift this to someone. And again, a win-win situation. You can't lose $4 for this bag. I thought it was super cute. Brand new, still has all the packaging in it. That's it for all of my finds that I did bring home from Falling Prices. You guys need to check it out if you do live in the Northern California area. I don't know if it's anywhere else, but if you look up on Instagram, you can also look on the Instagram pages. I'll pop up some things here, and then also look at their stories to see if it's even worth going on that day. Sometimes they'll do like a quick overview of what's in the bins and what they're placing in the bins for that day. So it's always fun scavenging. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe down below. Please let me know if you have any questions about Falling Prices, and I will try my best to answer them. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great day. Bye guys.